Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I would be talking about how to remove the background from any of your image if you want to upload it on social media, and it's a free tool. So let's get started. So the free tool that I'm talking about is Remove BG, and it only takes couple of seconds to remove the background from any image, and it is completely automatic. How simple is that, right? It reduces a lot of your manual time, and that's why I like it, and that's why I'm suggesting you this tool in case if you want to remove a background from any of the image that you want to upload on social media. Yeah. I know we have Photoshop and other softwares that does the job, but it's pretty manual and it takes a lot of time to sit and work on the tool and remove the background. So I feel this specific tool is simple and easy. So let's head over to my desktop to show you how I kind of remove the background from my image. Yeah, just head on to any browser and type remove.bg. Okay, so once you type that, that's the tool that I'm talking about, and it's a super handy tool where your background will be removed automatically within a fraction of a second without you kind of doing anything around manually, right? So that's a tool that I'm talking about. It's asking you to upload an image, so I can go and upload an image. So I've already downloaded an image into my desktop. So once I open that, it would take some time to open the image, and boom, there you go. So the background of the image is already been removed, right? So if you see my original image, it was this, and if you see the removed background image, it's this, right? So it's made a super great effort in terms of making sure that the background is removed exactly how I wanted it to be, right? So and so if you want to download your image as it is, then you can directly go and download. If you see here, you get two options. One is to download as a high resolution. So before once you sign up, you get one free credit over here, or you can download as many number of downloads you want in the resolution of 433 by 577, right? So in case if you want only 3 to 5, then you can use your 3 email IDs, and you can just do it for free through 3 different email IDs, because it gives you one each for the high resolution. But in case if you want couple of them, might be like 30, 40 or 50 in numbers, then if you go to the pricing section, you see that you might have to buy a subscription plan in case if you want to do on a monthly basis, whether you want to do 40 pictures or 200 pictures or more than 500 pictures, right? So that's the amount. Like for the basic ones, it's $5.99 per month. Only if you want to do more of pictures and remove more of background from multiple pictures, right? So if not, the free version is more than enough, which is what I particularly use as well. So one more thing which I also want to call out here is, if you get into this edit section, click on that edit section, and you see a couple of built-in options that you also find in this tool, right? So imagine I like it to be blurry with the same background, then I can still do that. Or might be I want to totally change the background of the image to something like this, or keep it as normal, and imagine I want it to be something like with the beach background, or this background, or any plain background. Or imagine I don't want any of this built-in background, and I just need the color of color to be changed behind, so I can do that as well, right? So you see that I can change it into purple, to green, to yellow, to blue, to black, to anything that that you are looking for, right? So imagine I like this and I want it to be exported. So once you are done with the entire editing, okay, sorry, before I get into the download option, I would also want to talk about erase and restore. Imagine that there was some issue in like removing the background, right? So I can still make sure to erase it in case if there were any extras, or imagine if there was any extras that was removed, then I can still make sure to restore those as well, right? So it needs, I mean, you don't need to do anything, but in case if there were any things that went wrong, then you can make sure to get it corrected as well. Yeah, so just wanted to talk about this as well. Let me just pick it. Yeah, so it usually does a pretty good job, but in case if it does not, so I just wanted to call out the extra feature that you have. So once you're done with all the editing, all that you need to do is download. It asks you for the download option, and there you go. The picture is downloaded in my system, and it's edited and without the background. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. I hope this video of how to remove a background from an image was helpful and easy to you. If it was helpful, please do hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, because it kind of motivates me to do more of such videos on the similar lines. Yeah, until next time, see you soon.